Okay, so I'm going to use, tonight I'm using this frame. It is from Hobby Lobby. Alright, so this is a nice little frame. Look, you can even stand it up. It's got the stand there, so it's really nice. Let's go ahead and paint this. We'll paint this first. I'm going to use 2 colors here, and you can use whatever colors you want, but I'll show you the paper we're going to be using. So you got several prints on this one sheet that you can use. This is a decoupage napkin. It's Decoupage Central, but I got it from, I don't know if they're the same company or not, but I got it from Decoupage Napkins. Alright, so I'm going to use some of my, I have Farmhouse Linen. It's a mineral paint by Paint Couture. I'm going to just use that and mix it with this Latte Color by Paint Pixie. I'm going to use, I like this stencil because it's, I'm sorry it's backwards, but it's got so many of these, like, the one I'm going to be using, and these are all, what is the name of this? Faith Favorites is what it says, and so they're minis. So these you can use on just about anything. I love these because they're, it's called Faith Minis. Let's use the Let Your Faith Be Bigger Than Your Fear. We're going to be using that one. I think I'm going to do that, and then I have a stencil over here, and I can't remember where I got this from, but it's got so many different frames on here, but I want to use this corner. I don't know how much room I'll have though. Well, I'm going to get this down first, and then we'll see how much room I have. Let's see if I can get that. I think that's pretty straight. I'm going to use, what color is this? Tanned leather. Okay, so I'm just going to put a little on my squeegee. Again, that is the tanned leather, or what did I say? Something like that. Okay, let's just see how this comes out, because this is a rough surface. It's kind of rough. Let me see how this turns out. Oh, that's perfect. Okay, see how fun that is? That's fun. I'm sorry it's backwards. I can't get my camera to flip on Totally Dazzled's page for some reason. I think I got an idea. Let me first, before I mess that up. I think I might just go simple up here. Alright, so we're just going to put this aside until we decide what we're going to do. That might be too plain. I'm going to bring my glass over here, and we're going to decoupage this right onto the glass. Alright, so I'm going to just see about cutting this part out. This is such a cute paper. It's really pretty. I'm going to bring my glass over here. Again, we're just going to decoupage right on that glass. Alright, y'all. I'm just going to go right on top of this glass. Alright, so all I'm using is my decorator's varnish. So we're just going to place that right there. I'm a little short on the sides, but that's okay. What do I need? I need my little sharpening tool. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Be careful since this is glass. I will paint. I'll paint these up here. Oh, y'all, that looks good. How pretty is that? That's pretty. We're gonna put that, I think, right there. I think I can put some on here. I'm just gonna put a little hot glue and a little B7000. It's simple, but it's, and I think what we're going to do is we're going to put, I think I'm going to put it on these leaves. There's a few leaves on here. Those are leaves that are, I think you can see the stickles there. So stickles, I got this from Amazon. I think this is like the gold or something. Oh, I can't see. Let's do a little bit of rhinestones and see what that looks like. Let me get this. Okay, so we have a rhinestone kit, y'all, and you get these little, these are different color rhinestones. You do get the crystal shimmers, and then this is another color. So you get 4, I believe it's 4. You'll get the crystal shimmers and then just the plain crystal rhinestones. Okay, so we're going to take our B7000. Okay, so we got some rhinestones on those flowers. I think you can see it. And I think I'm going to do these leaves down here too. I think you can see that maybe. But anyway. So we got some little sparkles there, little rhinestones. Okay, so we got some rhinestones going on down there too. So y'all, I had a fun evening with y'all. Thank you so much. Yeah, this was plain, a little simple, but I think I'm gonna add some more rhinestones to this. You'll see. I always change mine up. But anyway, we'll be posting pictures for y'all too. So anyway, bye y'all. Have a wonderful weekend.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.